Here's what happens when you hold in a sneeze. And trust me, your body does not like it. A normal sneeze blasts air out of your nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. It's basically your body hitting the emergency eject button. But when you pinch your nose and shut your mouth, that pressure has nowhere to go, so it shoots backward into your ears, sinuses, and even your throat. People have actually ruptured eardrums, damaged blood vessels in their eyes, and in rare cases, torn their throat. Yeah, from a sneeze. Your body created sneezing for a reason, so next time one's coming, maybe don't fight it, because stopping a sneeze turns your own head into a tiny pressure bomb.